Welcome back to the channel Photography Enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that will help all the beginners in microstock photography. We are going to talk about the top 10 mistakes often made by the newcomers in this industry. So let's jump right in. Number 10, neglecting technical quality. One common mistake beginners make is neglecting the technical aspects of their photographs. Microstock agencies have a strict quality guideline, so it's important to pay attention to details like focus, exposure and noise. Remember, your images need to be technically flawless to have a better chance of being accepted and sold. Number 9, lack of diversity in the subject matter. Another mistake is sticking to limited range of subjects. Microstock agencies prefer a wide variety of themes and concepts. So try to diversify different subjects such as landscape, portrait, still life or even abstract concepts. This will attract a wider range of audience and increase your chance of making sales. Number 8 is over editing. While post-processing can enhance your images, definitely, beginners often make the mistake of over editing. Avoid excessive use of filters, excessive use of heavy-handed adjustments. Keep your editing very subtle and natural looking and maintain the integrity of the original photograph. Remember, buyers often prefer images that they can work with and modify if needed. Number 7, ignoring the keyword and metadata. Keywording and metadata is very essential for making your images discoverable in microstock agencies. Neglecting these crucial aspects can actually limit your visibility and decreasing the sale and decreasing your total income. Take time to accurately tag your images with various keywords. This will greatly improve your images searchability. Number 6, poor composition. Composition plays a vital role in creating visually appealing images. Beginners often neglecting composition rules, they just point and shoot, resulting in unbalanced or cluttered photographs. Learn about the rule of thirds, leading lines and other compositional techniques to create captivating images. A well-composed photo will attract more buyers and increase chance of your sale potential. Number 5, failure to read and understand licensing agreements. Licensing agreements dictate how your images can be used and distributed. Many beginners overlook the importance of understanding these agreements before submitting their work. Take time to read and comprehend the terms and conditions of each microstock agency you work with. You need to understand what is commercial, what is editorial. Understanding all of this will prevent any misunderstanding and protect your rights as a photographer. Number 4, lack of research. Research is the key to understanding the microstock market and what buyers are looking for. Many beginners fail to conduct proper research and end up with images that don't align with the current trends or market demands, right? Stay updated with the industry news, browse through successful portfolios and analyze top selling images. This will give you valuable insights and help you create marketable content. Number 3, overlooking the model and property releases. When including people or private property in your photographs, you must obtain appropriate releases. Beginners often overlook this requirement, which can lead to legal issues and rejection of their images. Always obtain signed model and property releases when necessary, ensuring that you have the necessary permission to sell your photos commercially. Number 2, not paying attention to image description. Along with keywording, neglecting to write accurate description and title of your images is a big mistake. You see, nowadays stock agencies are also implementing AI in their search engines. So unlike previous days, if your description didn't exactly match what the buyer was looking for, your image never would have shown up. But in today's date, if you actually convey the meaning, the website can actually understand, the AI can understand and show your images to the potential buyers. So giving proper title and description and keywording, as I told earlier, is very essential in order to increase your sales potential. And finally, number 1, impatience. Building a successful microstock portfolio takes time and patience. Beginners often expect results and get discouraged when they don't see immediate results, right? Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. And in this journey, consistency is the key. Keep learning, improving and uploading high quality content regularly. Over time, your portfolio will grow and you will see definite chance of success. And there you are. It is the top 10 mistakes made by the beginners in microstock photography. By avoiding these pitfalls, you will be on your way way to creating a successful Microstock portfolio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and please type the code word best tips in the comment section so that I will know you are watching this video till the end, and I thank you for supporting me. Anyways, thanks for watching and happy shooting.